Hi everyone. So today is Advent of Code 2024, day 17. Wait, need to hide this one. How to read it? Chronospatial computer using Excel. So this one is day 17. So I've been struggling with this one for quite some time because you can see instruction, a lot of text here. So, but okay. These are instructions. So we have a 3-bit computer, which is 3-bit number is 7 to 7. Oh, 0 to 7. And then they have 3 register A, B, and C. So this one is like register. And then these are the odd instruction. And then what? Instruction read as 3-bit. We have instruction. And then we have operand here. Operand is the number after instruction. So if we have pair like this one, so first one is the instruction, and this is operand. Instruction operand here 5 and 4, and then instruction operand. So it is treat as pair here. And then there are some pointer, which is that operand is like. Okay, I'll just get the sheet and follow this one. So first let's get this one. Then just extract the number. So text after all this by comma, colon, and space. Then I have like this. Okay. Start with get the input. So my input will be what? Okay, we stack on all this one. And then the instruction will be okay. That instruction will be this one, but need to split. So text split this by comma, and then I need this one to be numbers. So this one will be my instruction, and this is v. Wait. Oh, in. Okay, this is instruction like this. Okay, just paste it below here. And then I have a register ABC. So just go with this. Right. This one. What? So this is my input, like this one, ABC. Okay, and then we have to run through each instruction. So I need a pointer for that one, which is n. So this one will be v stack of n with 1 here. So first one is this one, and then we have to increase pointer by 2 after each instruction. So this means we skip this one to this. So add by 2. Okay, like this one. So this means when I run this step, this one will be 3, and then be 5, and then do something else. Then here if we go with opcode 5, which is this one is 5, then we have to output something, and then the output will be separate by comma. So we have to keep the previous output separate by comma by previous output. So input will be blank like this one. So just start like this. Okay. Then if I'm gonna start this one, I'll go with reduce because I have to run this through, and then just one round. So sequence of 1 lambda an and underscore. I don't need it. Underscore, and then return an. Cross. Okay. Then I need variable, which is lambda. Let a will be the first item of a. So a will be, I use add. Okay, just index of an by 1. This is a, and then b will be this one, but by 2. And then c will be this one, but this is 3. And then n is this one, but this is 4. And output is 5, but I just leave that one, and then I'll just return a. Okay, so this is my A. Oh, hi Harry, building a computer in a computer. Yeah. Okay, and then reading again. Here the operand here is like if we go from 0 to 3, it will go literal, which is that one. So I need operand first. So O, wait. O will be index of an. Wait. Operand. So operand will be the second number here. So it means index of instruction by n, and then I have to add one after because it will be after this one. So this is n plus one. So this will be operand. And then we need combo operand, which is follow this rule. 4, 5, 6 will be A, B, C. So I'll go with that one. I'll go with switch O. And is it 4? Then give me A. 5, give me B. 6, give me C. And then 7 will be error. So 7 will be an A. And else is just go by that operand. So this is O. Okay. So C. This one will be CO. Combo operand. CO like this one. Now this long one. So we have to run instruction, and then the instruction will be, I'll go with I, index of in by n, no plus one here. And I will switch directly, so I can put switch here. But no, I can go with choose. Okay, choose, but choose have to be start from 1, so I have to add 1 here. This means 0 will be 1 and 2 will be 3 or something like that. And then with this 0 here, I have to go with A divided by 2 power by something here operand. So that means A divided by 2 power by, actually it's combo operand, so CO like this one. And the first one is 0. That means this one I run the first command and I have to return I. Wait. Okay, have to return I here. So this is that one, and then I have to trunk it, which is the same as in. Okay, in it. And then this is the hard part for Excel, because like this one have to be returned into the A register, and then we cannot like assign variable like in programming. So it means if it B, I have to put it into row number 2 here. If it's C, put it to row number 3. So the way to do in Excel, I have to put some header like this one, sequence of 5. And then, okay, when I have this one, sequence of 5, I can check if it's 1, then I will change A like this one. So it means if H equal to 1, I change A here, and I put A here, else go with AN. Cross like this one. So I change A early. And after I run this one, the N here have to be increased by 2 here. So this means if H equal to 4, I need N plus 2. Else this one, and then another cross. So like this one. Okay. Next is instruction number 1, bitwise XOR on register B, and literal operand, which is O, store it in register B. So this one to go with, I have to change B, so H equal to 2, and then this one become X bit XOR on B and literal operand, which is O like this. Okay, comma, go like this. Next is opcode 2 combo operand mod by 8 and store into B. So okay, so this one will be mod of combo operand by 8 store in B, which is h equal to 2 here, close here. Next is jump and do nothing with A when A is 0. And if not 0, it's jump to the instruction which is operand, literal operand here. So this means we change the h equal to 4. So this one we change h equal to 4, but only when A is not 0. So if A, then I will change it to O, like this one. But another thing I missed on this one, because this is number 3, and then I have to go to row 0, and then Excel row 0 is row start with 1, so I have to add 1 with that one. So this means this one have to add by 1. Next is BXC, which is bitwise of B and C store in B. So this one have to go B and C. And what? Another cross. Number 5 is combo operand mod by 8 is go to output. And then this one separate by comma. So this means I have to change this one, number 5. Separate by comma, this means I need previous output, which is index of an by 5. Separate by comma. And mod of CO by 8. Like this one. I think I need another cross. And then I have to do this one twice. So mod, I put another operator. So MO here. This one will be MO. This one will be MO. Or what? What? CO. What's wrong? So see. Oh, shoes. I have to put it after shoes. Not here. Have to put it here. Oh, next is I do this out already now. Next is B something here. So we do that A dv, but we store into B. So it means this one is the same, except that we have to put it into B, which is h equal to 2. And then the last one is C. Same, but we put it into C. So this one have to be 3. So now we have this one. Next is I have to run until we go out of the program, which is this number have to be more than number of all this number. So just do it manually first. Okay, so just go with this one. Oh wait, I have to go from previous step here. So what? Oh, this one have to be locked. Okay, so now we got first output, and then we continue until some point. Then this is some point that this is 7 is more than all of this number, and then we out of the program here. So we can put the stop condition. So I just go with this one. Stop condition will be n have to be more than number of in. So this means I'll go here. So if n more than count of int, return an, and then else do the rest of the calculation. close here, and then I can overshoot here now. So let's say go 100. Now get this one. And I'm not sure where should I stop, but I just have to put large number on this one and then check the answer here. So we got 4, 6 something here. This is the target, and almost the same, except that I have to get rid of the first character here. So this will be okay. This will be RS here, and I have to return RS. Take RS on the last column, last row, and then from second character, so mid of this one by 2 by 99 to get the output like this one. So this is how to do this one. Okay, let's. Well, Harry say, I see why this is hard. So many separate case managed to handle. Yep. Okay. Now let's get the input in from this one. Copy here, and then shifting it all of this. Put it here. So this one, is it? No. Is it this one? And since the number is quite large, I'm not sure if I get the correct, so I overshoot this one to 200. Still the same, so this means this should be my answer. Hope it's right. Okay, good. One gold star here. Now, part 2. Part 2, we have another sample here, which is different from the first one. So I'm just gonna copy this one and then put it here. Just gonna copy this one too to here. Okay, now my output is this one, but the question is asking for output another copy of the program. So we have to output like this number. We have to output this one instead of this. And then they say this one should be the output in register A. So if I change this one to A here, so this means this one I have to restep this number 0, 0 to get the same output as this one here. So let's check this one equal to this. So how to do this one? I have to, the way I do is I reversing this one. So first let's make this one into lambda. Okay, so L will be lambda of in X, and then this X will change into here. So I go with let and then this is let. Then if I go with L with this number, okay, this number, this one, and then the number is here. What number? Okay, 11780. This one. Oh, Harry, output copy itself is very common setup in computer science. Yep. And provide output. Yeah, making a joke. Yep. Okay. So this one is the output, and then if I put this number, I will get the same exact. But let's say if I start from smaller number, so that means if I go, okay, let's say I'll get this one, put it here. If I start from sequence of 8, start by 0, because 0 is what I need to output, then I can do map with this one. Okay, map on this one, and then I can just go with L here. So I got all 0, which is not sure what this mean, but if I go for more, like 8 multiplied by 2 here, you can see that we get the same output every 8 step, like this one. Every 8 step we'll get the same output. This means if I want this 3 0, I have to get from here. So this means the code will be some kind of repeat every 8 step, and then I have to instead of go by all of this one by one, which is gonna be a lot, I go with 8 step and then check if any output match on what I need to be here. So let's try that. So I'm go with only 8 steps. So sequence of 8 start by 0. And then this is all zeros, mean all of this number can be used. So this means I need some number here. Okay, this is quite long. And then I have to redo this all over. So I'm gonna start with reduce. And then the latest output from A have to be 0. So I start with 0 and then sequence 1. Lambda n, which is my start. And I don't need that one. So okay. I. Oh, I need I because I need to check. Then oh wait, I have to put it here. Map. Okay, reduce 0 sequence of 1 lambda n and I. Go with this one first. What? Okay. Now with this output, I need to check if it matched the input, which is I think this one. Input will be B6. Okay, so okay, C will be B6. So this is C here. To check if it match with B6, I need the like this one is like 1 digit. So it means I have to check if this one is equal to right of C by I, but then the next I will be 1, 3, 5. This means I need I multiplied by 2 minus 1. Okay, go like this. So all these are true. This means all this number can be used. I need to filter that number. Okay. So let S is this one, and then map S is this. Oh, okay. S is here. Okay. And then if we can see that the next step will be like multiply of 8. So I get this number first. So if with S here, if math is, I need the S. So first step, my all input is can be used here. And then next step, this number have to be multiplied by 8 because it's go with every 8. So it means this number here, instead of start by 0, I have to start by n plus something. So n is start by 0, so I have to multiply this one by 8. So it means my next step, if I go to here, the step will be 8, but this one is give me an A because it's in the same same of some dimension. This means instead of go 8 by row here, I have to go 8 by column, like this one. Is it right? Wait, confused. Okay, let's get back from this one. Okay. Map on this one by L. Plus. Yep. So this is 8. So this means all of this can be used, and then I need the one ending with 3. So this means 24 to 36 here can be used. Okay. And if I go this one, okay, I know it. So okay, first go by 1. This one is by column. Okay. And then after I got this one, I have to go to row. No, to call to make this one into column, and then after that I can make a sequence of 8 by 0 adding with this one to be like this, but this one have to be multiplied by 8. So this is my next continue of 8 have to go like this, and if it end with 3, so this one should be used. So okay, got it now. So it's mean to call, get rid of error with 3, and then if I go by 2 step, now I have this number 24. And if I go next one is number 3. It's go like this. And how long I have to go? I have to count how many n here. So this mean I have to go by count count of input here. Now I got this number. So this is the number, and then there are multiple, but I only need the first one. So this is like how to make this one in Excel. Okay, now let's try with this sample here. So I'm just gonna copy this one and then just change the input to this. Okay. This one. Now I got cal error. I have to do some. Okay. So I can like go like small step first. Like 1 still good. 2 good. How about 10? 10 still good. 12 still good. 13. Now cal is here, and there are a couple number of error can be happen here, because like go back to 12 here. So one thing is problem is mod on this one by 8. Okay, this one is good, but if there are larger number, like if multiply this one by 10 or 100, 4 still good. Okay, not this one. This mean maybe I run this one to roll. Okay, let's try this with this. And this one I run 100 times only, and then if I go 200, 200, is this the same? Not sure. Let's check. 100, same, but I'm not sure if it larger number 100 is gonna be enough. So let's try increase this one. And then increase this one to 13. Yep, now it's still good. So I mean this number is not enough. And then go further, 14. Still good. 15. Now I got cal, and then this one is caused by that the one I suspect before, because mod of. Okay, wait. This one take quite some time to run. Okay. Mod of this one by 8. still good, but if it's more, like if I multiply this by 10, got num error, and then this one could cause. This mean if I got this much number, I have to mod with larger number, which is 8 multiply power by something more. So like this one. Now it's if I just go with one, this called num, and then so this mean mod is not cannot operate large number, so I have to do double mod here. So mod this one with 8 multiplied by power by something larger. And I think now I can go with that count of input. Now I get the answer here, which is change this one to number. Hope this one is right. Okay. So, but there are something like this one is like quite slow, and this one is can be fixed with some simple method here. So first thing is all of this index, these are array. Instead of array with single value, so if I change this one to scalar, so I have to put @ sign here. So okay. So I'm gonna change all this into scalar by put @ here. See, it's faster, already faster here. So if I time all these ones, or let st is now, and then rs is something now with rst multiplied by 866 here. So the first one, and then the second one here with scalar. You can see a lot different here. 3 seconds, 1 second, less than a second. So like something with this scalar array here costing, but the most part is I think it with if here. So if I just because this if is short circuit, but if this is array, it will calculate all the rest here, and that is not short circuit. So if I just put @ here, hope this one is gonna be faster. Yep. So the main cause is this one. So this n with if have to be scalar, because this one causing all the rest of the calculation to be complete after this one. Okay, and then next is I try to make it. So this one I have to overshoot 200. So if I make this one into recursion, I don't have to overshoot this one. Let's see. I go with that. So I have to change this L into recursion. So it's L with 2 here. What? Oh, L is this one. Okay. L with 1. It lambda L with 1. What's wrong? L. Switch evaluate all option. Yes, but I think the switch, where's my switch here? This one is not much of calculation because it's just select value here. Okay, but I can try that. But Okay, so instead of switch, I go with choose, which is also short circuit. So choose, I have to choose O plus 1. And then if it's 1, will be O, 2, also O, 3, O, 4, and then wait, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is A, B, C, and N A. Huh? Yep, a little bit faster, but not much, because this like not much of calculation here. Not noticeable, 0.01 here. You are right, but if with S and take also, yep. But since that if with S here, which one? I think mean here, but this one I have to deal with array, so doesn't matter. It will operate everything. Okay, this one will be like same as this one. If I remove this one and become array, and then it will operate everything after that one. But this one I can pick because n is only one value here. But this one, this set is array, so it will operate everything no matter what. So if or if s doesn't matter here with array. Okay, now I'm going back to try to make this one into recursion to stop before. So this is L. Okay, L with 1. Okay, 7. Oh, and then I have to change this one into recursion lambda. So I put it inside here. So R, and X here. And then this one will become lambda R and A N. I don't need this. And then I have to output R with input, which is V stack of X 0, 0, 1, and blank. Cross. Good. And this one will be my RS. Okay. Not sure if it's right. Oh. Oh. Let R is, wait, R is lambda. R A N. Is this right? What? Wait. Hmm. Okay, this is my input. Then if I change this one, so R is lambda R A N. Then this will be let here. Huh? Then RS to be R on this set. Oh, to fill argument, let lambda r. Okay, need to put RS here, is it? And cross here. Oh, no. Okay, let's set RS. Okay, so this is working, but it's not recursion yet. So the recursion part is this one. And I need to do that recursion R I here. Okay, I got 7. Oh. So if I go with this number, yes, now I have this input, which is seem like the same as this one. Okay, true. Now this is one of the recursion, and then keep this one here, and then just need copy of this one. And then if I go with this into this, okay, then time this one, how could it be? Is it gonna be faster or not? So like a bit faster with recursion so that I don't have to overshoot. And then it could be improved with a little bit with this one switch. So improve this one with choose. Okay, with choose a little bit faster. And the final one, I think, so this one, because I input this one as array, so I have to check, I have to change each array here. But if I just go by separate input, because now we have only 3 input, so I can separate this input and put it in recursion. Okay, so let's try with small sample first. Okay, this one is the recursion. Let's go with this. Okay, this one. Now, instead of input in just one array with 5 value here, I will separate each value for the input. So this means this recursion lambda, we have 5 input here. Okay, so it means A, B, C, N, and output. And now I don't need A, B, C, N here. Okay, let's do the recursion later. So this is I. It's gonna be right? No, it's not right because the recursion is not good. Then I have to supply all of this with recursion in for each part. So this means I have to go recursion inside of this one. So this means this will be R, and this is I chain A, so this one will be A, and B, C is the same, N will be this, and then output will be this output. So this is my first. Next is I have to do almost the same here. except this one will be B. So this one is B, A is the same. So get rid of this. Next is have to change B again, but B will be MO. So this one will be MO. Hmm? This one. Next is this one, but this one I change output. So this one should be B, and then output will be out and comma and no, this one is jump. This one is jump. So I have to change. Wait. Have to change n with this one. So now it's not n plus 2. It will be this, and then this still will be. Next is output. No, not yet. B again. So this one. But I have to change B with this XOR instead. Oh, and then this one is output. So I have to change output. So this one still will be, and then output will be, and this one with MO. Okay. What out and comma and MO or what? Okay. Next is same as A, but put it into B. So A is the same. This one will be B, and then B is get rid of this one. And the last one, this will be C. So I have to put B and C here. Oh, now, but it's error. Not sure why. So N. Okay, I'm not sure why it's error. So if N more than 1, still error. Oh, oh, now I have to call this one, not that. Okay, wait. Call this one. I have to put 5 parameter, which is x 0, 0, 1, and blank here. Name. Wait. So rs x. What's wrong? Now I have no idea how to troubleshoot this one. Okay. Start with if n more than 1. Still name error. Name error. From what? In. To have all is index. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Okay. Input. Oh. Oh, still good. Okay. Say go with 1. Take all. Take 5. Oh, this is oh, CO still good. N mm, I start with name. So it's wrong inside here. Oh, then I have no clue how to troubleshoot this one. Start with this index n plus 1, 0, plus 1, I have 1. And then with 1, I go to this one. So this is A, B, C, N, and out. Okay, let's say this one. I still got number here. Yeah. Oh, shoes? Oh, so do I just get rid of this? Not sure. R, name. Oh, don't know how to on if N is AN here. AN is okay, I got it. AN is nothing, so I need output here. Okay. So try a more than count of in. Oh, now it's better. So I can put this one as 2. Oh, so this is recursion lambda, but I don't have to. I just change each value here, so I can put this one back into this. Then if this is the number, I got the same input here. Now I can put it here and then do all this calculation. Cross. Okay, then I can time this one. So I can time this. Now, without that V stack, without this chain array, so I just change each value here. So it's faster. And then another level is I can change that's switch with choose, which is choose. Oh, I don't have it anymore. Oh, here. Choose small faster here. Okay. Thought I never make it, but so this one is the fastest one. Okay. So separate each array instead of manipulate. This one will be faster. But this one is quite limited because I have to change. I have to like input each variable separately. So this one only have 5 input here. So I can do like this. But if there are like 100 input, cannot do like this. So, okay, that's will be all for today. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.